Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To begin with, since the Australian dollar struck the highs around 80.38 last week, the RSI has diverged. Now that means a higher price and lower indicator. And also you can note that the fact is that the market has attempted above 80 cents quite a few times and failed. It is viewed that from the technical breakdown, along with the MACD and also with the RSI, does support a bearish case for the Australian dollar. As we keep seeing failed attempts towards 80.25, I'm looking down towards 79.30.40 and reassess from there. But it would seem that the bearish outside range day along with the doji has been negated overnight after the US dollar breaks down further. Currently trading around 89.90, right on the key support, the market has now taken out the top side of the euro and now puts further pressure to a target of 123.45.50. One thing to note though is that there is still bearish divergence, so I don't have a strong case towards the upside as of such. Nevertheless, if this pattern holds, then we should see a rejection soon and a sell-off down towards the initial target of 122.40, and with the objective still holding at 121.60.65. Along with the negated euro, bearish outside range day, and also with the bullish outside range day in the US negated, we now have the bullish outside range day for the dollar yen negated. At the moment, the market is pressuring the downside and at this stage focused towards 109.65. It is concerning that the fact is that the dollar index is not recovering. So in the next 24 hours, if we go through 109.65, that would give further grave case to the bearish outlook. That could bring 106. Let's see how the market plays in the next 12 hours. Since the blow of top for the pound, the market has progressed further and now claiming the highs around 140. At this stage, I'm still a little bit skeptic in where we are, due to the fact is that although we've seen very little talk on Brexit, is that the fact is the market may start focusing back towards this level now that the trading at 140. I am still a little bit concerned that we are overbought. So therefore, I feel that the market will turn around at these levels and look back towards the downside, purely for the fact is that most of the markets are all showing that they're trading to their extremes. So this is where the last push to the upside is around 140.60 at this stage. And to say that, the gold outlook has shifted back to the upside, where we had the bearish outside range day from the rejection of 1,345. At this stage, I still see some divergence in this market in terms of the bearish case. Therefore, we should expect 45 to be rejected again. Nevertheless, if that fails to eventuate and we do break above there, then we could be seeing towards 1,351. Support on a day is C minor at 36. And to round off with oil, the market has actually staged a slight rally overnight, but still not making any significant highs from previously, still focused on that $65.30 to $66. There is divergence and also the MACD is negative, so I do feel the market will eventually fail towards this region and look back towards 62.60. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day that's ahead.